Hi, to create a Google account on your Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G, as a first step, we need to find and open settings. And now simply find this tab Google. After that, you should see this option to sign in, so tap it. And now you need to use your pattern or fingerprint unlock to verify that it's you. And after that, you would need to use this option create account. So tap it. Here, pick something. I'm gonna use it for my personal matter. And now we can actually create it. So here, just enter your first name and last name, but this one is optional, so you can leave just the first name. And let me come up with something and tap next. Now we need to input this basic information about your birthday and gender. So here choose month, then day, and year when you was born. After that, pick your gender. I'm gonna pick female and tap next. Now you can choose how you will sign in. Create a Gmail address and use your email address. So here you can just pick create a Gmail address and tap next. Now you need to create your username, so let's just try to do this. For example, I'm just gonna enter something like that. And now we need to create a strong password. So I'm just gonna show you this as an example because I will delete this Google account after this video, just so you'll know how to create it. And now let's tap next. And we can add phone number for best protection, or you can skip this step. I'm gonna skip it. And now you can use this option to review your account info. So just tap next and choose your settings, express or manual. I'm gonna pick express and tap next. After that, you would see this type of information, what data is used, how we use this data. So just basic information about Google account, and you will need to accept everything right here. Now confirm your settings and then tap button confirm. After that, you can read this privacy policy and terms of conditions and then tap I agree. And then it would be loading, and after that you can enable backup. So if you don't want to lose your data in the future, then enable backup. And let's tap accept. And that's basically it. Now you can see your Google account here. So that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.